Good day, Abraham from CCPR, and we have a Epson L3150 with the following problem. As you can see, the light is blinking and the power light is blinking and the paper light is solid, right? The main issue is that the printer is being recognized as a ET2710 series. This is WIC Reset, and I'm going to show you how you could use EEPROMs from users submitting different EEPROMs from on the net that was stored here. So what happening is that the EEPROM on that, which is like the main info for the machine itself, has been corrupted, and we're going to get the right one for it to work. So we'll be taking this EEPROM here from this submitted user and pressing OK, and it will update the software. So before we do it, I advise that you save your EEPROM on your PC or some device, and when it's saved, just in case something happens, you can restore it here in the same WIC Reset. So when this is finished here, we will do the process to try to restore it. So I'm storing it here in my computer, and then we will try again by going through the process of using a submitted EEPROM. So this machine is at 3150 as shown before. So we'll take this, click OK. It will source the EEPROM from the net. So it'll say selected EEPROM data file received from another model. Do you want to see the original information or the information adjusted for this model? So this will be showing you the original information and the adjusted information. It just will show you what the machine may have had issues with from before, and then you could just go ahead and accept, right? Right, so we're writing over the current E2710 to back to 3150. Note that the 3150 you'll be taking from is from a machine that is already existing on the market, so it will not have the same data as if it was with the current machine. So I will skip all of these things, but if you want the MAC address, the serial number stay as what was in the current machine, you could keep it. So now it's reading the EEPROM, and it will convert it back onto the system. It may or may not go through, so it's writing it now. So I'll just let it go through the process, and let's hope that it works. Note that you'll be taking a chance doing this